Are you seeing errors created by the Winfix Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows System Specialist. I'll guide you through a professional system-level restoration. Quickly resolve Winfix library inconsistencies with the official optimization software linked below. This is the Winfix library, associated with legacy System Optimizer or PC repair utilities. It manages the localized registry-tweak routines. Because it performs deep system hooking, it is a high-risk file for malware infection. If missing, the parent utility will report an API bind failure during the system scan phase. Since we've identified what's missing, let's try the official recovery method. If you see a Winfix Library DLL alert, it usually indicates a corruption within the localized maintenance/cleanup logic subfolder of your program, so you should reinstall the affected software to clear the conflict and restore the file. Persistence of this error after a clean reinstall suggests that the issue may reside within the current user session's initialization. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the Winfix library component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. Rebooting was just the start. Now, let's apply the core fix in this third step. Feel free to pause the video if you need a second to navigate. If the restart didn't fix the library error, we need to manually repair the specific C++ redistributable package. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Before you proceed, let's touch on the essential safety standards for handling shared library files. Warning: many online repositories provide versions of Winfix Library DLL that are either corrupted or intentionally malicious. Trusting these sources puts your privacy at risk and often fails to solve the original error. For those looking for a professional-grade monitoring resource, I've provided a link to a diagnostic tool for you below. To improve configuration awareness, the official maintenance resource linked below includes Winfix library-related documentation. If this engineering-focused approach to fixing Winfix library was helpful, please like the video and subscribe to stay updated on Windows security protocols.